guys, this is 3 months in advance. We are on the way. Fuck! It's 3 months prior. We're on the way to Richmond, California. We're gonna get some bags. Not even for this car. Can you believe that? Not even this car. Different car. You're gonna have to see. It might be the same car. Might not.
Might be a Viper.
It won't have these numbers. That's all I'll say. Alright peeps, we made it back from the desert town of San Ramon. Package was secured. Bags collected.
It'll just compress all the way down and then it won't even be able to drive. So,
these are used.
Yeah, just focus in on it. Just like get down close and then focus in on it.
Bro, look at this. Every video, there's a spider. Oh yeah, by the way, new car.
What's poppin', jimbos? Been some months now.
Yeah, a couple months.
It's November 5th. We're in the shop today. We're figuring out the mounting situation for the rear setup in the trunk. Some of you might have thought the bags are for that white V6. You thought wrong, Jimmy Daniels. We're bagging the 5.0. This thing is getting dropped. We knew about this thing all along, and we're starting with the tank. He just removed some sound deadening. We moved this from the top part where we're gonna mount the tank. So I'm just back here. Oh shit. What's up, boys? So we're gonna be mounting it up there. We're sending it for the boys. He's marking it. It looks straight enough. Gonna drill that out.
I got this one.
Yeah. Oh shit. Should I get in here? Oh. Hello? What the fuck? Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Homo, bro. No homo.
Hold up. No, this is hella funny. Look at this. I actually think my head is stuck. You're a savage guy.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
So this guy's just taking a nap in the back of my car. I don't know why.
Where are these punches?
So I think I'm gonna mount this size we're drilling out first for pilot holes is 5/16, and then we'll be upgrading to 3/8.
Alright, turning them little holes to big holes, you know what I'm saying? She got torn.
Finish it.
Finish it. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, my trunk, bro, covered in these chardonnays.
Glasses check.
Let's get a file.
Was that real? Sheesh, boys. It's 10 o'clock
30
now.
minutes of twisting.
Have to use a, what is this, a 14mm ratchet on, or this is a 9/16 socket.
Yeah.
Gotta get all these bolts into place. And that was kind of a bitch because we couldn't find a ratchet till like the last second. So now it's all in place.
Oh shit! Alright, buddy boys. December 17th. We're wrapping up the bags on this thing. Picking it up now because we've been pretty busy. Just got the rear bags in. We're about to go ahead and put the struts in and finish up the rear completely. So as you know what it takes, you have to literally drill in a hole here for the top of the bag, and then this is the airline. So on both sides of there. Sticking this thing on. Dingly dong. Just got the wheels on. This is literally aired up. Look how much fucking space it's got. So this thing is gonna be on the floor while we're working on the front, but let's see how we look. Drop your wing. Drop her low, brother. Oh my god. Is there a problem?
We didn't really think about.
It's stuck? Shit. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah, so we're gonna have to put it on the wood or something. Bricks to the rescue. Go slow. Just in case it hits again. We good? Airlift. Look, this guy's looking at me. I can take the wheels off while you do that. Use the new video
905 shooter. I did not think that they would tuck that perfectly.
It looks sick, bro.
It's literally like the most perfect tuck.
One quick lesson. You're gonna get an impact wrench like this.
Don't go deep.
Just get the cordless. You know you want it.
Wait till it's on sale.
You know you need it. It's only like 20 bucks difference from this hunk of junk. Just do it.
Alright, we're going in.
We're going in, ready?
We're going in hot.
It's the last one we gotta touch that. See what I mean? What is that? I hate this thing, bro. This is why you don't buy this. Is that all? Ugh. These wheels are so heavy, bro.
This is a documentary. We don't have to highlight everything.
No, I know, I'm making it a documentary.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Yeah, this is a personal choice because I'm gonna turn this into a movie. I'm gonna document everything because I'm gonna jerk off.
We didn't really go through a lot of it because it's honestly a lot. There are better videos out there for the 05 to 14 Mustangs. You'll definitely find better videos at like CJ Pony Parts. Bags aren't easy. There's a lot that goes into them. We went in not knowing a lot. That's why it took us a while because we had to learn everything. So we had to figure out what any of this means, how to wire. All right, so now we got this side. Mustang struts are literally the easiest things. All we have to do now, this bolt, that bolt, 21, 18, I believe, and that is an 18 as well. We get the top here. As you see, this one actually has a strut bar. Last owner, first owner got that. We're dropping strut. First strutto in. It's got the 15-way adjustment right there. Start tightening her up. We're wrapping the fronts up real quick. Look at this fucking tuck. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's just so funny.
Sit over here in the dirt, you know?
Better than the fucking bushes. Fucking George Rosie Bush. Hold that hoe.
Yep.
One more bolt. Now we're just gonna plop in the last shot, the last strut, boys. Right as the beautiful day, if it fucking focus, is going away. Tighten your top and bottom. You see we have everything mounted right there. The management just in front. Compressor is right here. It's not the prettiest thing, but there's the airline right there. Wiring airlines routed to the front. Big Daddy 5.0. We've got our fuse tap right there, so that's to run the compressor.
So essentially, if you pull out one of these fuses, the tap goes in, replaces it, and the existing fuse goes on the bottom, and the 3 amp goes on the top. So it's routed to the fuel pump relay, so whenever the ignition turns on, the fuel pump will kick on, and it'll take the voltage from the fuel pump and use it towards the compressor.
And that's how she fires up. Ignition on, bags on, brother. And then we got the battery cables over here. Pink wire is the one you just saw. This is positive, ground here. They're just tucked away already. We're now connecting the wires and sticking the wheel zos on. Put it on the ground, see what's up. You gotta put it on bricks, just in case it decides to take our child jack. Look how low it is.
Listen, go listen.
Oh! Oh! There's a controller there. We accidentally zapped ourselves, so we unplugged it. And we're gonna plug it in when we're ready. Alright, boys. Currently doing a system calculation here. It's going wild back there.
Front's airing out all the way.
We're just adjusting the presets right now for the red height, you know, the slam height. As you see, it's really dark. Now this is off-road mode. Can't even really see it, but so we'll catch you later. Alright boys, next morning we got it wrapped up last night as you saw, so now we're gonna go take some shots. It's raining out here, but alright, we're here yet again in another spot. We got off-road mode. That's how it looks like all the way up. You can hear the compressor. Oh, it's literally, hold up. So right now, the fenders are popping out when it airs out. We are planning on getting a new set of tires for it.
245, 35, 20s. Shout out to Jacob Ardotti with the insight and the specs.
And believe there's more for this puppy. A lot more, including front, rear, pipe. This has been it for the Baggeronis. We'll catch you little Jimmies later. Grab some more.